Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn. In previous lectures, we have discussed about time and work aptitude concept, and we have seen few example problems in which we have found out a number of persons, amount of time required, and uh, and when work done is not equal, how to calculate time, persons, etc. So in this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important type of the problems which were asked many times in all examinations, and these are very frequently asked questions. So as we discussed earlier, work done is always 1. This is our assumption. Work done is always 1. If a person can finish work in n days, the work done per day is 1 by n. These two are very important points. Based on these 2 points, we are going to solve this kind of problems which we are going to discuss in this video. So if suppose if 2 people are working together, let us say A can finish work in X days, and B can finish same work in Y days. Okay, the amount of work done by A in a day is 1 by X. Similarly, amount of work done by B in a day is 1 by Y. Work done by A is 1 by X, and work done by B is 1 by Y in a day respectively. So if both are working together, then total amount of work done per day is, if A plus B are working together, the amount of work done per day will be 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So suppose let us consider that they have finished the entire work in n days. So they have finished the work in n days. So total amount of work done is number of days into work done per day. So total work done is number of days into work done per day. Okay. So what is the total work done? Always 1, as we assumed that, and n into total work done per day when A plus B are working together. So that is 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So 1 equal to n into X plus Y by XY. So number of days, we got that number of days will be n equal to xy by x plus y, where x is the number of days taken by A to finish work, and y is the number of days taken by B to finish the same work when they are working alone. So the amount of time taken when they are working together is xy by x plus y. Okay, this is very important formula. You can remember this formula, or you can remember this relationship by which you can solve many number of problems. You can remember this relationship so that you can solve any kind of problems, and this relationship is very useful not only for 2 persons but also n number of persons. If n number of persons are there, you can simply add upon the amount of work done per day, will get the total work done per day by all persons together. So let us see example problems in this topic, and later on we'll solve so many problems different kinds of problems and previous year problems on this topic. So let us see two basic example problems in this video. A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do same work in 12 days. If both works together, how much time required to finish work? Already we have derived the formula. You can use that simply. So n equal to 10 into 12 by 10 plus 12. That is 10 into 12, how many? 120 by 22. That is 60 by 11 days. That is the by formula. If you are not going to use formula, then amount of work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 10. Amount of work done by B in 1 day is 1 by 12. So the total amount of work done in day is A plus B working together to finish 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 work in day. So let us consider n days they have worked. So what will be the total number of days? N. Similarly, as we discussed earlier, same thing. Total work done is n into work done per day. This is the work done per day. Will end up with this relationship, and by using this formula, we got this directly. It is easy, isn't it, friend? But when we are using more number of people, suppose A, B, C, D, if there are 4 or 5 number of people, it's better to use this method only. Because we cannot always take LCM and multiply all such the things. It will be very time consuming. So you just simply 1 by 10 will be some you take decimals, that is 0.1, some like 1 by 12 0. Something like that. You solve that, and by reciprocating it you can get number of days. When more number of people, you follow this method. When 2 people are there, you can directly apply this formula xy by x plus y. And one more question based on this derivation and this kind of explanation. So A and B together can do a work in 12 days. A alone can finish work in 18 days. And what will be the time taken by B when it is working alone? So total work done they can finish in 12 days. So amount of work done per day is 1 by 12 when they are working together. A alone works for 18 days. So work done by A in 1 day is 1 by 18. So what is the relationship? A plus B 1 day work equal to A 1 day work plus B 1 day work. So what is A 1 day work? 1 by 18. What is B 1 day work? That is we need to find out. Let us say it is P. So what is total 1 day work? 1 by 12. So the P value will be 1 by 12 minus 1 by 18. That will be the answer. So you can simply take LCM and calculate that. Okay, when we take LCM or when we cancel all those things, we'll get the answer easily. I'll tell the final answer. Okay, the answer is, when we calculate that 18 minus 12 by 12 into 18, that P will be how much? 1 by 36. So 36 days. Okay, the answer will be 36 days. We just take LCM of this and we found that P is equal to 36 days. Okay friends, hope you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more videos. This channel is exclusively made for beginners, so please follow my channel and learn more and more. Okay, thank you friends.